Yeah, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone, you know. A little bit tired, but I have videos I want to present to you, certain things I want to talk to you about. Alright, first up, my people. When I listen to some words that a person said in this video, and you can see a motorcycle in this video if you're in subscribers, so I say, and just listen carefully to some words that the person say in this video because I find this video somewhat interesting. Alright, and please do not try anything that you see and hear the person talk about in this video. Alright? But observe and tell me what you think. And viewer discretion is advised.
Dog, right now, current gone over my yard from earlier today. And I feel I run the bike as a generator right now. So right now the bike I run, it's literally 11 p.m. in the night. So right now the bike I run, I have one little solar fan where I have charge up, I have 2 bar pan it. And I have to go and cool down the bike engine. Take a 12 volt from the bike and I send it to a battery and the inverter. And right now I just send air in my fish tank so my fish then are dead off. Plus it will run a couple of things in my house. It will run a couple of things in my house. I can't, boy, I tell you, JFS kind of rough sometimes.
Well, my people, this whole thing where the person talk about, you know, the whole using motorcycle as some from a generator sounds amazing, is what I say. And then first I hear somebody talk about them things there. Is what I say. I mean, yeah, but you know, leave it to the professionals. Is what I say. Yeah, and it's something where anybody if you just go to because then here say somebody do it and you go do it. No, leave it to professional because it can be dangerous still. You know, if certain things don't do right. Is me? So please don't try that at home. Alright, my people, so here I'm going to present pieces of videos to you that shows some things that happened at the scene of a motor vehicle accident. Now, this motor vehicle accident is somewhat weird in my point of view because based on some words that have been said in at least one of these pieces of videos, I got the understanding that a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone somehow went from off the road and over what some people might call a gully within the country of Jamaica. So, some people might call the same gully a large trench. So, I say, and the motor vehicle end up over on the other side of what some people might call a trench or a gully. The people, I'm not so sure how to explain the situation, but these pieces of videos show some things that happened at the scene of the motor vehicle accident, and I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any form of injury or any fatality viewers and subscribers. And yes, these pieces of videos have been recorded in Jamaica. See? So let's take a look at them and you can tell me what you think. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
This don't make no sense. Look here. I'm from way over there, sir. Straight cross. Fly and drop there, sir. Boom. And come straight. See there. Why now? You know that man tell you, I know a wall.
In the goalie.
You can imagine how fast the person that go? I could take a look at the same situation at a different angle. Observe my people.
Look where the car I drive from. The car I drive from all the way around. And jump the railing.
And shoot across.
Jump the gully. All the way over the next side. Tell me now.
Yeah, the person said gully. Some people in the country of Jamaica will call that gully. Some people might call it a large trench. Is what I say, but my people, I mean, that's a wide gap for a motor vehicle to really and truly go. I mean, how hard could a motor vehicle let that go? That's a wide gap, my people. Tell me what you think about that situation, my people. You see me I say? Tell me what you think. Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so when I listen to some words that a person said about a bank. Yeah, I'm going to say a bank. You see me I say? However, more please bear in mind that the person used harsh language in this video. Oh, and please bear in mind that the video quality is somewhat shaky. You see me I say? Yeah, and viewer discretion is advised. Observe my people.
Every time I come here, this money drop. I'm not drawing money. I'm tell me about me. I draw my money. Me draw from the rest of the bank. I put in a son and the first, the second, then 60,000. When we look at 30, when we come again, it gone down to 7. It gone down to 1. It go back up to 7. Now we put a blood. Then I'm tell me 3,000. When we take it from money, I give me my money now. Me want my money. People in the bank are NCB bank. Anything we have to dry it out. Dry it out. Cause our teeth are wicked. Nobody cares to me now when we are to pay. I'm making the money that the bank is draw. Second month, I tell much time I come here and cry. Wow, money! Who was it?
NCB. You know, and I first may hear somebody, you know, talk about NCB in a video on social media. You see what I say? Yeah. Alright, my people. Let me know what you think about those words that the person said. You see, maybe I move on to another topic and pardon the shakiness of the video or the quality of the video. You know? One more video I want to talk to you about. Alright? And the video that I'm talking about is a video that shows when at least two persons started to attack each other with objects while they were on a construction site. Yeah, more I talk to you about a video that shows some things that happen when at least two persons attacked each other with objects while they were at a place of work or on a construction site. You see? And the thing about it is, my viewers and subscribers, you see, there was at least one person who was trying to de-escalate the hostile situation. Now, there was one of those two persons who was somewhat attacking each other, who keep on attacking the other person, even though there was someone trying to de-escalate the situation. Now, the person who was trying to de-escalate the hostile situation, at one point, grabbed an object and behaved aggressive towards one of those two persons who was attacking each other with those objects. In my point of view, I think that the person who was trying to de-escalate the hostile situation grabbed the object because of how bad one of those two persons who attacked each other was behaving. You see what I say? It's like the person that behaved so bad to the point where the person who that tried to stop the fight or de-escalate the situation got upset. And that's in my point of view. Real drama, people. It was a real drama, you see me? At least one person you can hear talking in the video use a Jamaican accent, even though I don't know exactly where and when the video had been recorded. But one of the reasons why I talk about this video is because the video and the situation is being talked about on social media. And really look away for know that the same person who that try to de-escalate the situation end up holding an object and behaved aggressive towards one of those persons while holding the object. I think he was upset. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me, what would you do if you see two persons fighting with each other or trying to attack each other with objects? Would you call the police? Would you try to de-escalate the situation? Leave a comment or comments to let me know what you would do. Now, my people, I'm going to present a piece of the video to you because the entire video shows a hostile situation. And please bear in mind that this piece of video also shows at least two persons grabbing, holding, and also shoving and pushing each other. Before I present this piece of video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. So they see the person that trying to de-escalate the whole situation. Oh, there was one person who just that person seems as if you don't want to stop. It's like that person.
Yeah, man, you just kill no one like that, no man. See if it's way there wrong with that. Me not call.
Very hostile situation. One thing for sure, the person who try to de-escalate the situation in brave. Let me know what to think about a situation like that, people. I mean, if it's two persons fighting with each other, would you try to stop them from fighting with each other? What do they do? Some people would just call the police, which I recommend. You see me as a, yeah, because sometimes when you try to stop a fight, it might not be a good thing to do, depending on how the situation stay. I ask some fitness, so big up and respect each and everyone. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.